Now in this video, I'm going to show you as a beginner how to dev your first viral meme coin on chain. I will be doing a live example, going it through step by step with you guys, and you guys will see how much I make from my launch all in this video, so do not worry about anything, bro. I do not sell a course. My goal is not to make money from you guys. My goal is for you to learn. That's it. That's all. Let's get straight to it. Now, the truth is that if you still trade meme coins, you will eventually lose all your port. Let me explain why. Because 95% of all these coins, okay, go to zero. They get completely dumped on, okay? Unless you find a really good runner, you are just going to fucking obliterate your entire port by these coins because the devs are the ones manipulating these charts. They are selling their entire supply while the chart is going up. And that's exactly why you have to become a dev. Because these devs like me, we have nothing to lose. We're just launching, dumping, and rinse and repeating, and it costs nothing to create a coin. It basically costs free, right? The blockchain fees might be like $1 or $2, but it's nothing too much, and that's exactly why we dev. But trading though, you need a big port, and you need to invest a lot of money into your trades if you want to profit. So that's exactly why deving is actually way better if you are a beginner coming into the space than trading. And I'm making this video to show you how to start deving, bro. I will do an example, I will do everything. Let's go. And by the way, bro, I don't condone any financial advice, okay? I am just here to show you how it's done. That's it. Please don't copy me, bro. And cap. And yeah, bro, it's all for educational purposes only. Launching meme coins is literally a 3-step process. You launch, you get eyeballs, and then you cash out. Now, where do you launch your meme coins? Now, bro, don't use Pump.Fun. It's oversaturated, overcompetitive, and your coin will just get no attention. No one will buy it because there's too many coins coming out every single second on Pump.Fun. Okay, you have to be launching on the Raydium DEX instead. Here is where all the attention is. Why? Because every single coin on Raydium gets a bunch of attention, and if you launch a really good narrative on Raydium, you can get a lot of buyers, okay? As you guys can see, the last coin that got migrated to Raydium was 8 minutes ago, so it's an opportunity to launch, and most devs do not launch coins on to Raydium directly because they do not know the method. Now, to launch a coin on Raydium, you could either make one on Pump.Fun or make one manually. Now, to make one on Pump.Fun, that coin needs to reach a $60,000 market cap for it to level up to Raydium, which is like impossible. So that's exactly why you have to be launching on Create Meme.io, bro. It's the best launchpad. Every single coin that you launch right here and that you create goes to Raydium, reaching thousands of people, and there's a bunch of people gatekeeping this launchpad, bro. It's actually insane. Now, to create a coin on Create Meme.io, you can either create one from scratch or you can use their free X tracker. Basically, there's a bunch of tweets coming out at every single second, and you can turn tweets from anybody into coins. And all these people are all viral accounts like Donald Trump, Elon Musk. They're all important, so that is a plus. You have a free X tracker if you want, okay, just to keep up with news, or if you are a trader, you can use it too. But yeah, in this video, we will be actually using the copy trending coins tab feature right here. This is another method. Basically, it's like vamping. It's the same exact thing. We launch coins that are going viral on Pump.Fun back to Raydium. So we're copying a coin on Pump.Fun, right, that is viral, and we are relaunching it to Raydium, reaching thousands of people. All of these coins have a good narrative, they're all going viral, and they're all gaining a bunch of volume, so it's a no-brainer to copy these coins to Raydium. I will do an example. Alright, now let's make a coin. I will show you how, and we will see how much we can make from this launch within like 10 minutes, okay? Obviously, for you guys, it's going to last like 2 minutes because I'm going to cut down in the video. But yeah, now first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected. Click on refresh and look for a coin to copy. And then let's copy a coin. I'm gonna copy the mini coin. Click copy to Raydium right here. Your Phantom White should pop up. Ignore the warning from Phantom right here. Then click on proceed, confirm, or understand, confirm. And then the coin will be created in a couple seconds. Okay, just give it some time. Come on. And bang, bro, now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Alright, here is where we create the Raydium liquidity pool. It's really easy, bro. Just follow along. For the amount of coins for your pool, just tap on 90% and that number is going to be 90%. That is the golden number. For the amount of Solana to put here, this is where you set how much supply that you want as a dev. I would highly recommend to put 0.3 Sol. You are not losing this money, by the way. You will get this back at the end or whenever you want. It's not a loss. Click on create pool. Wait for your phantom white to show up in a couple of seconds. Come on, bro. We have to go fast. And then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, click on refresh down below and then scroll down and bang, the mini coin is live and your PNL is going to show up right there. And if you do click on the refresh button, well, as you guys can see, bang, we're already up 130 bucks. Now look, click on view on Photon to see the chart, okay? Or Axum, or go on your trading platform. Then the coin should be live, yes sir. Give it some time for it to load in, okay? Just give it some fucking time. And as you guys can see, guys, the coin is now live. We're getting a bit of traction, okay? A bit of traction. We're a bit late. It's a bit delayed, okay? But it's not a big deal. We are at the 1.4k market cap. And remember, guys, more and more people are going to start filling in the coin, seeing the coin, okay? Oh my god, bro! What the fuck? We're getting so many buyers, and this is exactly what we are looking for, okay? This is exactly why you have to start diving. This coin costed us $0 to create, okay? And now we're getting a bunch of attention, a bunch of buyers, a bunch of everything, okay? Now just give your coin some time for it to breathe, let your coin pump, and I will do a time lapse for you guys, right? When I come back after like 5 minutes, I will show you how to cash out and I will show you how much we make off this coin. Alright guys, I am back and we are at the 5k market cap. Let's make some money. Let's cash out right now before it dumps. Come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button right here. And as you guys can see here, bro, bang, we're gonna receive 2.5k right now if we cash out. That is actually fucking good. What? Wait, I'm just realizing it. 2.5k? Oh, whatever. Click on the mouse button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for your phantom white to show up, and make sure to do 100% if you want to. And then, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And bang, bro, that's exactly how to do it. But look, before you click off, look. Bang! You get the funds instantly in your phantom wallet and then you can rinse and repeat that method over and over again. And the volume right now in the trenches is fucking high, so you guys have to start right now, bro. Create meme.io will be linked everywhere down below in the description, or just go on Google and type in create meme.io. It's all for educational purposes only. Like, comment, subscribe, peace out.